Good morning, everyone. So, we'll start with class 8, subject geography. We'll start with chapter 3rd, that is water resources. So, in our previous video, we discussed about the importance of water. So, in this video, we talks about the distribution of water on the earth. Okay. Nearly 2/3 of the earth's surface covered with water, but very little is fit for human use. Nearly 97% of water is found in the ocean. It is saline and not fit for human consumption. Look at this distribution of water on the earth. Nearly 97% of water is found in the ocean. It is saline and not fit for human consumption. Fresh water availability on land on the planet is just about 3% in the form of ice caps and glaciers, and only 1% fresh water is available and fit for human use. So fresh water is one of the most valuable natural resources because it is required for all human consumption. What is the new renewable resources? The total volume of water remains almost constant, but it has to be conserved and managed properly. Distribution of fresh water is highly uneven on earth. This variation is due to the differences in climatic condition. In region where precipitation is more than evaporation, there is excess water. Region which are located between the equator and 20° north and south latitude experiences excess precipitation. Region where evaporation is more than precipitation, it has resulted in the formation of desert. For example, the Sahara, the Arabian, the Gobi Desert in the northern hemisphere, and the Atacama, the Namib, and the Kalahari, and the Western Australian Desert in the southern hemisphere. These regions lie between 20° and 40° north and south latitude. Do you know rain is the main source of water because it accumulates as surface water in river and lakes. Surface water is then extracted from these water bodies through pipe or canals. Rainwater also seeps into the earth's surface and is stored as groundwater. Groundwater is extracted through well and tube wells. A water table is the boundary between walls, saturated ground and unsaturated ground. Below the water table, rocks and soil are full of water. Pockets of water existing below the water table are called aquifers. So next topic we have scarcity of water. On the daily basis, we use 10 billion tons of fresh water worldwide. Many organizations and environmentalists give a note of caution that our water supply is decreasing. However, people do not take it seriously. The reason for this casual approach might come from the fact that water is found everywhere and people feel that amount matters, not the threat. But the reality is very different. Over 1 billion people in developing countries do not have access to safe drinking water. Most of Africa, West Asia, South Asia, part of Western USA, Northwest Mexico, part of South America, and Central and Western Australia are facing shortage of fresh water. As per the estimation given by the United Nations, estimate nearly 30% of the world's population residing in 50 countries will face water shortage by 2025. So next topic we have factor affecting water scarcity. So let's understand the factor which is responsible for water scarcity. Increasing population has increased the demand and consumption of water. Rising demand for food, grain, and cash crop has increased the pressure on agriculture production and consequently water for agriculture supply. Next, increasing urbanization and rising standard of living are leading to more consumption of water. Next is growing industrialization is leading to increased demand for water for industrial supply. Next, increasing population, urbanization, and industrialization are contributing to water pollution. Most water sources are getting contaminated by sewage and agriculture runoff. Next, unequal distribution of rainfall at different places and a different point of time is one of the main reasons for water scarcity. Some water bodies are becoming dry, many are getting polluted. So in this video we discussed about the distribution of water on the earth. Then we discussed about the distribution of fresh water in the world, scarcity of water, factor affecting water scarcity. So there is a question regarding a home assignment. Why water is valuable resources? Explain with example. Okay. Thank you.